Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB reacted to our support area and seems to be putting in this fifth wave. There has been some news around the settlement around the US and Binance BNB. Yeah, so I think they've settled the court case. And as far as I am informed, Binance, they've already paid. Okay, that's the latest I have heard. I think it's about 4 billion or something ridiculous. So anyway, I think the market sees that as good news. We've seen our fifth wave that we wanted to see. It was already built into the chart, so we had a bit of a catalyst, and there you go. So the thing is now, we've had two nice entries here. Unfortunately, we missed that one. You know, if you see that as an entry point here, we missed that one by $3. But we triggered this one. We got this one triggered. Let's see if we can get another one, because this ideally is now wave 5. And ideally, well, we've got 5 waves basically complete, right? That's the idea here. So if we look at Fibonacci extensions, I mean, let's just double check something here. Yeah, it's reached. I'm not sure if we should measure it like that. What I'd like to do is to... So this would be an ABC structure because we are dealing here with a diagonal, right? So what we can do, probably the best way to measure a potential target is to take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B. And so here you can see that the 1.618 extension target is $275. Ideally, we don't really see a C wave. So let me just label that. We don't see a C wave above it. A, B, C. Does that mean it can't get above it? No, but it means that if we see a sustained break above $275, I might have to assume that we are already in the third wave more directly. Yeah. And then we would have to assume that 5 waves are already complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also possible. Then this was the wave 1. This was the wave 2. So I can only encourage anybody, you know, if you entered here or here, maybe consider that option, that it could escalate much more directly. So you might not want to sell everything, or you might want to hold a core position or something. Because then this was our wave 2 pullback and we're already rallying in the third wave. Not my primary scenario, but above, with a sustained break above $275, I would have to take that seriously. Until then, I'm going to be watching for a wave 2 pullback. So let's move that here. That support area is basically closed. And now we're watching for the next one. And to calculate that, we take the length of the wave 1. And again, there is not really any strong evidence that wave 1 is already complete. But let's zoom in a minute. Let's zoom in, let's zoom in. Yeah, so this would be wave 2 support. I actually move it a little bit to the left. But support is now $215, which means that if we get a pullback and it's holding above $215, great. A third wave rally is a reasonable expectation. If you zoom in here, I mean, it looks already as if it was getting exhausted here. Obviously, we had very fast and rapid price action today. It's hard to say what this is. But it certainly doesn't really look, well, it certainly doesn't really strongly look as if it wants to continue to the upside. But, you know, we'll see how it plays out. I mean, it's only 3 waves down so far. If we get one more low, we have 5 waves down. That would be more suggestive of, yeah, a pullback now in the larger wave 2, because then we have an A, B, C structure, and the A wave could have been 5 waves. Anyway, the parameters are defined. So support starts at $241. Then we have 233, 256, and 215. And as long as the 215 level holds, a third wave rally is a reasonable expectation. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content every single day, like news, updates, stuff about Elliott Wave, trading, technical analysis. You can find it all there. Links are in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.